Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. As you can see, I am outside and I'm going to my family and I are going to make Hangi Packs. So we are going to prepare our things for the our Hangi Packs, putting together the meat, potatoes and everything for the umu. So I've got rocks here. So this is our umu version here overseas. Sorry. Okay, so our hangi is cooking away in there. I started the process about an hour ago, so probably take 2 more hours and then we should be ready. Here's our fried bread. I've just got a few there. There's only 4 of us. It's just a simple fried bread with self-raising flour, yogurt, plain yogurt. I mixed it up and just gonna fry those. So that's our final cooking for the day, our hangi. As you can see, we started off when it was daylight, but then it got dark and we baked our hangi for about 3 hours on the charcoal. So here it is. It's cooked really well. I made fried bread as I showed earlier on. Our smaller packs here and the big one that I don't know if you can see from there, but that's what it is. Our veggies, the stuffing, it smells really good, and the meat, just the chicken, you can see the meat just falls off the bone, the chicken, and it's steaming hot, and it's still steaming hot. So I'm gonna have a taste. So this is enough for the whole family. And we are having our hangi with fried bread. So the fried bread is that. It is quite hot as well. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. So this is the pork and the chicken. Oh, it's just, look, steaming hot. And pumpkin, carrots, all the goodness in our Hangi Packs. Ooh. It's amazing with the stuffing. Fried bread, everyone. Yummy, delicious.